Today, we will learn about demonstrative pronouns. You use this singular and this plural to refer to something that is here near. Examples: this is my car, singular. These are our children, plural. You use that, singular, and those, plural, to refer to something that is there and far. Examples: that is our house, singular. Those are my shoes, plural. Note that the verb changes, singular, plural, depending on the pronoun that you use. You can also use demonstrative pronouns by themselves. Did you do that? I'd like to buy these. Which of those would you like? You use this, singular, and these, plural, to talk about things close to us, and that, singular, and those, plural, to talk about things at some distance away from us. This, plural, these, that, plural, those. This, for singular nouns close to us. For example, this is a bag. This is a bird. This is a parrot. That, for singular nouns far to us. That is a bag. That is a bird. That is a parrot. This, for plural nouns close to us. These are calculators. These are hats. These are bottles. Those, for plural nouns far to us. Those are calculators. Those are hats. Those are bottles. Is this an ant? Yes, it is. Is this a cake? No, it isn't. Is that your dragon? Yes, it is. Is that your juice? No, it isn't. Are these your books? Yes, they are. Plural forms. Are these your pencils? No, these are not. Are those rockets? No, they are not. Are those rabbits? Yes, they are. Questions. Are these umbrellas? Is that a calculator or laptop? Are those triggers? Is that money in your hand? Are these doctors or teachers?